Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we got another video. Today though, I have a Jeffree mystery box unboxing. And so I got the mystery box. I got the small one, it's called Premium, and then I ordered a few extra add-on items. But welcome to the video, here we go, I'm excited. So this is what I received in my box. And I'll do the add-on items last, but yeah, I got the small box, I got the Premium. And this is just the card that comes with it. Booyah. Booyah. So the first thing I got is every mystery box came with it. It's the Weirdo eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited. It's just so, like, look at that, like, and luckily the colors are, like, not, like, crazy, so they're, like, usable, you know? So I'm pretty hyped about this. I like this a lot. And it's limited edition. That's, like, my favorite part. Then, next in my box, I got the Velour lip scrub. And it looks like this. It's so, like, Halloween. And I dropped it. But anyway, it's, like, so Halloween-y. Does that even make sense? But it is Witch's Brew. And it's green. And it smells so bomb. Like, I can't explain what it smells like, but so bomb. Like, obsessed with it. Obsessed with it. Next, I got the Velvet Trap and Gravedigger. I love the packaging, by the way. Like, looks like that. We all know what this looks like, and it's just like this shade. So, yeah, not mad about it. Next, we got the lip liner in Deceased. His names are so funny. And I like this because it goes perfect with the lipstick. But it just looks like this. Love it. Then we got the Supreme Gloss. It doesn't say what shade it is. I really don't know. But like the package, like it's this beautiful red. Let's see, does it say? No, but it's just this beautiful red. Love it. And the last item of the mystery box is I'm so beyond excited about this. Is the Skin Frost in Hypothermia. Like you don't know how obsessed I am for getting this. Like, look at that. I gotta turn off the lighting for this. If I can, like, I cannot. Like, I'm just obsessed. I love it. Like, this was like the highlight of the whole thing, minus like the eyeshadow palette, but pumped. So that's what I got in my mystery box. So I'm so hyped, so worth it, so worth $40. So now let's move on to what I bought, because I needed free shipping. First, I got the lip liner in Red Drum. And it's just this beautiful red. Like, maybe I should go over here. Beautiful red. Then, the Velvet Trap in Blood of My Enemies. I love this shade. Like, I cannot. And first off, again, like, this packaging. Like, matte black. Like, I really do love this shade. I'm so excited. Perfect for Halloween. Like, catch me on Sunday wearing this. Next is the Gloss in 6 Feet Under. I love his glosses. Like, they are so just I hate the word creamy, but I'm using it. Creamy and okay, this packaging is why I bought it, honestly. Like, iridescent, like, look at that. I'm obsessed with it. And this color, I know is not like an everyday color, but like, it's unique. I had to have it. And then, and lastly, I got the Supreme Gloss in a word I can't find on the internet, but if you can read that, can't say it on the internet. I'll give you a hint. It's a C word. But I got it, not gonna lie for the name, but I loved the shade. Like, this is a me shade all the way. Like, I'm just obsessed with it. Like, I love this. Love this. But overall, I'm so happy with what I got from Jeffree Star. He never disappoints when I get from him. But also, I got some Kylie Jenner stuff the other day too, so I might actually throw that in at the end of this haul. So 1 second, real quick from the Kylie Jenner line, I got the Kylie Skin Makeup Remover Wipes. Then I got the Kylie Jenner Pressed Bronzing Powder and Tequila Tan. I just wanted this because honestly, I don't own a ton of bronzers, so I just thought this would be cool to have. Nice. It just looks like this. Packaging on point. And then this was for her holiday line. Is Kylie times a Nightmare on Elm Street lip and cheek stain. If I can open it. I can never open packaging, like it's literally embarrassing. But it just looks like this. Here's the packaging. And then, like, I actually really like it. It's like you could literally use it for anything. But, yeah. So, that is my Jeffree Star mystery box and the little Kylie Jenner haul. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. I have tons of videos coming.